This is the Samsung Galaxy A23, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you gotta launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, you gotta tap on the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app or skip this step. And finally on this page you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.